everyone. My name is Saqlain Abbas Ali Khan, along with my group members Vijendhar, Reddy, Mukkisa, Lakshmi, Sunitha, Nandipati, Nithyanandh Putta, myself, Venkata, Naresh, Takkellapati, and Akshaya Thangella. So we are group number 2, and we are here to present our research on the impact of Chatgpt on scientific research and medical practice, a comprehensive analysis. So let me start with the abstract of our presentation. So with almost 1.5 trillion parameters, ChatGPT is one of the most sophisticated AI models out there, producing replies that are remarkably like those of a person, far outperforming earlier AI iterations. Its incorporation into several industries, including business, demonstrates its capacity for the transformation. This paper challenges specialists to think about ChatGPT's consequences for medical research and other disciplines as it explores its expected spread into clinical and translational medicine. Numerous articles and preprints that have been published in scientific journals attest to ChatGPT's value for writers in a variety of subjects. Nevertheless, there are significant disadvantages to its use in medical research that need for careful consideration. A paradigm shift in the scientific community has been brought about by the increasing use of ChatGPT, and this has sparked ethical discussions concerning AI's place in scientific authorship. These conversations tackle important queries about AI's position in ensuring scientific accountability and integrity, potentially influencing decisions by researchers, physicians, and policymakers. Rest will be explained by my friend.
Coming to the introduction, its transformational potential is demonstrated by its integration into a number of industries and business. This paper discusses the predicted development of ChatGPT into clinical analysis and challenges, expects to consider the implication of other fields and medicines, plethora of reprints and publications published by scholarly journals attest to the ChatGPT for writers across a range of topics. However, using its medical research has drawbacks that should be carefully considered. These discussions addresses crucial questions regarding AI's roles in maintenance, integrity, and accountability, which may have an impact on choices made by scientists and others. And coming to the problem and motivation, with over 1.5 trillion parameters, ChatGPT is a very advanced language model, presents both opportunities and challenges for scientific research and medical practices. That human has created needs of opportunity for study, documentation, and communication. However, given the quickly response for AI is being incorporated into these industries, this research endeavor to investigate the effects of ChatGPT on scientific inquiry and medical practice, emphasizing its pragmatic uses, implications, and wider ramifications for the scientific community. Here, problem and motivation can be classified into two types, the potential of ChatGPT and the ethical and practical concerns. Coming to the potential of ChatGPT, thanks to its improved capabilities, ChatGPT can accomplish jobs that AI was before unable to. It is a useful tool in many fields due to its high accuracy, text generation, and understanding capabilities. And coming to the ethical and practical concerns, the application of ChatGPT in these domains presents a number of practical and ethical issues, not with understanding its potential. Because ChatGPT gathers and analyzes a large volume of data and could intentionally identify pre-exists biases in the data. AI in scientific study has medical treatment. Who should give credit to an AI that makes an significant contribution of research paper or a decision, and who bears the responsibility of a mistake made? And further slides will be explained by our team members.
Coming to the background and related literature, strong language models like ChatGPT have been developed as a result of recent developments in artificial intelligence and natural language processing. Previous research has shown that the model is capable of producing text that is both cohesive and contextually relevant. which makes it a useful tool for a range of users. ChatGPT has been used in the context of scientific research for article drafting, hypothesis formulation, and literature reviews. Applications for it in medicine range from helping with diagnosis to facilitating patient communication. However, there has been much discussion in the literature regarding the ethical ramifications of AI generated content, including questions of authorship, accountability, and potential biases. And there are some of the applications in medical and scientific research fields. Now, coming to the applications in scientific research, the literature on AI applications in scientific research is vast and growing. Studies have shown that AI tools like ChatGPT can significantly enhance the efficiency of research process. For example, AI can analyze large data sets much faster than humans, identifying patterns and trends, and generate new hypotheses based on these findings. Additionally, AI can assist in the writing process by drafting sections of manuscripts, generating citations, and even suggesting improvements to the text. And coming to the medical practice, in medical practice, AI tools like ChatGPT are being used to assist in variety of tasks. For example, AI can help doctors by providing them with relevant information about the patient's condition, suggesting possible diagnosis and recommending treatment options. AI can also assist in patient education by providing patients with information about their conditions and treatments in a way that is easy to understand. Coming to the ethical implications, the use of AI in scientific research and medical practice raises several ethical issues. One major concern is the potential for bias in AI generated content. Since AI learns from existing data, it may inadvertently incorporate and amplify existing biases. This can lead to biased research findings and biased medical recommendations. Additionally, the use of AI raises questions about authorship and accountability. If an AI contributes significantly to a research paper or a clinical decision, who should be credited and who is responsible for any errors? So, these are some of the background and related literature. So, coming slides will be explained by my teammates.
Yeah, coming to the approach on mixed methodology. A mixed methods approach is used in this through examination, combining quality and quantitative research techniques. The study entails a thorough analysis of the body of research on chargeability, uses and conclusions for both medical and scientific fields. Interviews with the professionals in the domains of ethics and medicine and artificial intelligence also shed light on the technology's provided advantages and drawbacks. Case studies of ChatGPT's implementation in actual situations provide useful illustrations of its effects. An ethical review of the study, possible dangers and difficulties integrating AI in scientific and medical settings is also included. Systematic literature review. The systematic literature review involved searching academic database for articles related to the use of AI in scientific research and medical practice. The search terms included ChatGPT, AI in scientific research, AI in medical practice, AI ethics, and AI bias. The review focused on studies that provided initial evidence of the benefits and drawbacks of using AI in the fields. These fields. Coming to the systematic literature review. Yeah, the systematic literature review involved searching academic database for articles related to the use of AI in the scientific research and medical practice. The search terms include ChatGPT, AI in the scientific research, AI in medical practice, AI ethics, and AI bias. Yeah, coming to the expert interviews. Interviews were conducted with experts in the fields of AI, medicine, and ethics to gather insights into the previous benefits and concerns associated with the use of AI in scientific research and medical practice. Into the case studies. Case studies of ChatGPT's application in real-world scenarios were conducted to provide practical examples of its impact. The case studies included examples from both scientific research and medical practice, highlighting both the benefits and the potential pitfalls of using AI in these fields. Into the ethical analysis. The ethical analysis involved examining the potential risks and the challenges of AI integration in scientific and medical contexts. The analysis focused on issues such as bias, authorship, and accountability and data privacy. Yeah, next let's say explained by our teammates.
Now, we conducted the results, and the results are segregated into five, like clinical decision making, with its quick data-driven insights for diagnosis and therapy. ChatGPT can help doctors. GPT can find patterns in a vast amount of medical data and provide potential diagnosis and course of treatment. The next, personalized patient care. GPT can improve individualized patient care in a number of ways. It can help with medication management by reminding patients to take their prescriptions and informing them of any potential side effects. It can also provide genetic care by providing personalized health advice to elderly patients. Medical research. In medical research, GPT can analyze large datasets to identify patterns and trends, generate new hypotheses, and develop novel methodologies. This can significantly speed up the research process and lead to new discoveries. Additionally, GPT can assist in the writing process by drafting sections of manuscripts, generating citations, and suggesting improvements to the text. And medical education. GPT can serve as valuable information retrieval tool and personalized learning resources for medical students and professionals. It can provide students with relevant information about medical conditions, treatments, and procedures, helping them learn more effectively. And additionally, ChatGPT can offer personalized learning experiences by tailoring its responses to the individual need of each student. Next, ethical consideration. Despite its potential benefit, the use of GPT in scientific research and medical practice raises several ethical concerns. These include the risk of bias, issue of authorship, and accountability. The potential for incur or adequate information. It is important to address these concerns to ensure the responsible use of AI in the fields. And the next slide will be explained by my teammate.
Coming to the conclusion, overall, while there are numerous promising applications of ChatGPT that will likely induce parallelism shifts in healthcare practices, education, and research, it is an imperative to objectively evaluate its impact in the real-world settings. Using a risk-based approach, this ensures that the integration of ChatGPT into the medicine is both effective and ethical, safeguarding the integrity and accountability of scientific and medical endeavors by highlighting both the advantages and the potential pitfalls of the ChatGPT. This analysis provides a nuanced perspective that can inform further research, policymaking, and ethical standards in the scientific and medical commitments. Coming to the summary, as our team has mentioned, ChatGPT plays a very crucial role in the medical domains. So statistical improvements, which shows that 62% of research reported improved efficiency with AI tools, 25% reduction in time to diagnosis with the ChatGPT assistance, 78% of patient satisfaction with the AI generation educational materials, 12% of AI generated recommendation content biases, and 20% high medicine adherence with the AI reminders, and 30% reduction in literature review time, and 25% improvement in exam scores for studying using AI tools. And also 10% of AI generated content had minor inaccuracies. Change the title according to the paper. So these are the references which we have gone through these papers, and we have generalized this. Thanks for this opportunity.